Hello mga ka-mompreneur. Ayan, so actually after nag-church ako, so we decided to play a pickleball. Ayan, this is my first time actually. And I thought that it's just like the badminton, but it's totally different. But grabe no, wala kaming stretching nangyari. Sobrang pagod, sobrang pawis kami. And nakakahingal pala guys. But it's so enjoy. I mean, we had fun and grabe, sobrang pawis ako diyan, sobrang grabe. Nakakatuwa lang dahil sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakapag ano, except na nagja-jogging ako sometimes, but pickleball maganda siyang laro and nakakatuwa lang kasi yung mga katabi naming court dyan, they teaching us. So, nakakatuwa dahil medyo may alam na rin kaming konting mga rules, di ba? So, ayun, sobrang hangin lang guys. So, mga ano lang, dahan-dahan lang kami dyan. They taught us how to control the ball, ganon. And even yung paddle, parang akala ko talaga it's totally different from the badminton. Ayan, so nagpahinga kami, sobrang pawis kami. Ayan, 'di ba? So, after that, nag-ano na ako. Nagpalamig na ako ng aking favorite iced coffee, 'di ba? See ya guys. Thank you so much. That's all.